I've broken my fair share of sites by changing themes. So in this video, I'm going to share what I have learned from my many failures and show you how you can pick a theme and then how you can make sure that changing your theme won't break your entire site, make you lose your content, and stress you out. So by the end of this video, you'll be in control of your website and will be able to change theme as you wish. If you're new here, my name's Nathan, and on this channel, we explore how to work productively and use the most up-to-date web design softwares. Now, let's get started changing our theme. First, think of your theme as the backbone of your website. It often holds the default styles of your website, but often with page builders like Elementor or Divi, and this site is built on Elementor, you don't really need robust themes. If you just want the theme to do all the work, which I don't really recommend, you can usually find a theme that fits for your situation almost exactly. For example, if you're a lawyer, let's look at your options just within themes. First, to see our theme, we'll go to the back end of the site, so you can click right here, and you'll be brought to the dashboard. And then you can go to Appearance and Themes. Now, if you haven't ever changed themes, your website is likely on 2020. This is one of the WordPress default themes that just comes with WordPress. Now, I have changed my theme to Hello Elementor, which I'll talk about a little bit more later, but let's explore themes assuming you're a lawyer. And even if you're not a lawyer, this section will be helpful because you'll see how to really change it. So if we go to Add New right here, then we see all of these options. There are many options, and here are the most popular now, but there are many themes. If we look up lawyer, we can see all of these themes. These are themes and designs that you can have today. If you start your website and you say, I really like the Crystal Lawyer theme, you can install it. And most of these themes are designed so that you don't need to know how to code at all. You can pretty much tell it what image you want to be right here, for example, and it'll place it for you. But for reference, look at all of these themes. These are all pretty much for lawyers or law firms. And of course, you're going to have to sort of go through this mini search engine. But, you know, there are a lot of good options here. The only problem with using one of these is that it might not actually match your brand exactly. It might get pretty close, but it likely won't match it 100%. Now, in my freelancing and at my full-time job, I pretty much only use Hello by Elementor. Elementor is the page builder and theme builder that I use. So the header and footer, while they're normally held within the theme, so normally the theme will control what this part of your website looks like and what this part looks like, I wanted to design that custom for myself. Using Hello by Elementor means that I can pretty much design a site however I want, and I can use the same theme on every site I build. I use Hello then for a couple reasons. One, like I just said, I can design anything I want, and it's an extremely bare bone theme. That means that I can be really good at one theme and not have to search around for themes and try to make my content fit in someone else's design for every website I make. And then the second reason, and I think this is a pretty big one, is that anytime Elementor updates, Hello also updates. That means that Elementor updating, which is how I build all of my pages, it won't actually break my site. And that is pretty important to me. So while I use Hello because I'm building the theme styles from scratch and I'm making my website from scratch to meet unique needs that my clients have, I recognize that if you're just making your own website, then it might not make sense to fully build your theme, and it might make sense to use someone else's design. I will say that these other templates and themes tend to not be as scalable as using Hello or even Divi. Within Elementor, there are templates, and this makes sure that your website is super scalable. Here are the templates that Elementor has, and of course, these two, any of them can be yours today. If you want to sign up for Elementor, I have a link in the description that you can go right to this website. But these are also incredible designs, and they're not confining you to one theme. Changing themes in general should be avoided when we can. And if none of these fit, then I think this is one area where Divi really outshines Elementor. These are all of the layouts that Divi has available. Once you sign up for Divi, you can have access to any of them. For example, let's say you're a chiropractor. Here's a layout just for you. You can install this pretty much immediately, and I am making a video on how to use these templates and get started. I've used these templates within 3 hours and I've had a full site set up. One thing I will say though about Divi is that if you decide to go with Divi made by Elegant Themes, it can be a little bit difficult to switch out of this template. But let's say you still need to change your theme. All you have to do is search whatever theme you want, or you can go to popular and pick your favorite. And if you don't have it already on your website, you'll have to click install. And then once you have it on your website, all you'll do is click activate. I really recommend you do this in a staging environment first so you don't break your website. And if you're wondering, yes, that has happened to me, and it's not fun to reload the page and see that everything is gone. That is the method I go through to pick my theme, and hopefully it helps you too. If you liked this video, you'll love this video, which goes over how to use WordPress and all of these little pesky items on this side. As always, there are great links in the description. Check them out. Thanks for watching.